Bishop Mwesigwa ahireyo kushaboka bwabire nashohoze ibibazo bya pre-PLE ebitebekanisi bw'obureberezi bwa Ankole.
Effort you put in is what you get out. But I thank God that our schools are doing well. But we are doing well, but still we are unlike man among the blind, because the rest of our church schools, majority of them are not doing as well.
Reverend Canon Muhwezi Agasha orukore by'ubwegesa bwa Ankole Diocese agizire ngo ebuze ebi nebitebekanisa bwa buri mwaka okutebekanisa abeja barukuza gukora PLE.
Abana bamazire cyamushanje nsimara hanga haba coordinator examinations umamuri banko asibwe kandi abahedi cyazi n'abazire okutusupportinga kureba ngo activity yabaho. Bishop Sheldon Witu twatumwine umukoro gwagenda je.
The number of schools were 201. This time around they were 202. And 2023 we had 7,436 candidates sitting for PLE, registering for PLE. While this year we had 8,027 candidates who registered for pre-mock.
I've done my inspection in these sub-counties of Kabonji, Kashare and where, but teachers are no longer scheming. They are no longer making lesson plans. They just keep lesson plans. In case an inspector comes, they will put a date.
Omugandi ebitongole bitari bya government nebishaba government kweyiho buhwezo mu office y'enganze y'ihanga ekabutwara hama district ebi byona byagamba ubwa bebitongole ebi byabano bigana habebembezi ba district ya Kasese.
We have time and again talked about funding the gap and decentralizing the funds from the office of the OPM so that they should not decide for ourselves, because they are covering the whole country, and at the same time they are overwhelmed by the request for response.
Jane Nachiranda orukujunanizibwa hanshonga z'abantu abarukuba batahirirwe bigwerezo mu kitongole cha Oxfam Uganda wenashaba government kwergaye kagaruza obuhwezo obu aha district ekabwiho mu office y'enganzi y'ihanga
okubera nga bavaayo ne bayongera ku nsimbi ne zituuka ku government ku local government ne zisobola okubeera nga zisobola okweteekerateekera ate era nezisobola okuyamba mu kiseera ekyetaagisiza ekitaka wansi w'essaawa 72 ng'abantu bakoseddwa.
Twabona obuyambi obwo leka tubusindika obwire bukiri kale niko district says nalishi local government says zibaase kweteekaniza obwire bukiri kale kutariyo kugira ngo hate ekizibu cyagwaho hate leka tubanze kitwara nka wiki 2 wiki 3 uri kugamba n'aba OPM uri kugamba n'aba international organization n'abandi.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Sengendo Abdul Karim na Gilbert Muhanguzi.